Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to draft PR pitches using ChatGPT. So let's get started with the video. So basically, you need to open ChatGPT first and give the prompt to ChatGPT. For example, we have given a prompt here that ChatGPT needs to act as a PR expert. Write a short professional email pitch to a health and wellness generalist. Introduce my eco-friendly yoga mat. You can here give the description about your product which you're doing. If you want a short or a long PR pitch email to be created, you can write it here. Here, after giving your product introduction, you can mention the tone as well. You want it warm, confident, or more professional, you can mention it. And post that, you can give this prompt to ChatGPT. So as you can see here, ChatGPT has been created the prompt. What prompt we have given, it has created the PR pitch for us here. What you need to do is copy this particular pitch here and post. Once you have copied, you need to open Word document and paste it over here. Once you have pasted, there will be few details and square brackets. You need to make the changes here. For example, the generalist name. Here at the bottom corner, you will see you need to write your full name, title, brand name, your email address, phone. If you have any website or any Instagram account, you need to mention that here. So this is how you can create the pitches using ChatGPT. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.